What? A bug? Bug? Don't be ridiculous. That's a feature. Are you really calling a syntax error a feature? Cut the camera. Oh, a bug. Maybe I should try and Google it, or maybe try and fix it myself.
Guys, I need help, come on guys, come on, I need help.
I'm not really sure if this is a bug, because according to my program, your mom is 300% obese. High five. No? Okay. Oh, a syntax error. Let me just go find the semicolon. Where did you even get your qualifications? Oh, Stack Over. Oh, I'm in university. Well, according to my statistics. Nah, man, just shut up. You're so annoying. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to get statistics for something I don't have. And what statistics would you not have? Human interaction? Oh my god, I need another colon. Bugs? No, my friend. Drugs. No? Nani? A bug? I've let down everyone. My family, my parents, Sensei, who taught me everything that I know. If I can't get past this, I just have to die. You got a syntax error, like line 30? Oh, that's why. Hashtag programming. Hashtag dying. Bugs. I'm not really sure what those are. Oh my god, shut up! Shut up! Guys, we're still filming video, right?